happen the next Saturday. Only one thing I'm sure, I win by knockout. All right? Thank you so much. God bless you, everybody.
To his detriment tonight against a fighter like Arce.
Vazquez Jr. holding on. Cortez right there.
Why won't he hold? He needs to hold him.
Joe Cortez doing a good job of letting them fight through this.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Jorge Arce, alamat sa boxing ng bansang Mexico, 4 Division World Champion at kilala sa estilong parang Toro kung lumaban ito. Naisa katuparan ang laban niya kontra sa kilala at magaling na undefeated super bantamweight champion noon na si Wilfredo Vazquez Jr. o mas kilala sa bansag na Papito. Isa ito sa pinakahihintay na banggaan sa mundo ng boxing noon. Inaasahan ang napakagandang salpukan at talagang tatangkilikin ng mga boxing fans. May 7, 2011 na isa katuparan ang inaasam-asam na laban na ginanap sa MGM Arena sa bansang Amerika. Para ito sa pagdipinsa ni Vazquez Jr. sa kanyang titulo na WBO World Super Bantamweight title. Sa presscon at weigh-in pa lang ng dalawa ay puro patotsada na. Tila gusto ng umpisahan ang digmaan ng mga kamao nila.
I don't know what happened the next Saturday. Only one thing I'm sure, I win by knockout. All right? Thank you so much. God bless you, everybody.
Bien a conciencia y téngalo por seguro que lo que usted está pronosticando, eso no va a suceder. Va a tener una gran batalla, va a ser una gran noche, pero esa noche el árbitro le va a levantar la mano a este caballero que está aquí.
Bit-bit ng Mexican challenger na si Jorge Arce ang record na 56 wins, 6 losses, 2 draws, 43 via knockout. Habang ang Puerto Rican na kampiyon ay dala-dala ang malinis na kartada na 20 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw at 17 dito via knockout. Sa mismong gabi ng basagan, tunay na digmaan ng kamao ang nasaksihan ng mga nanonood ng live sa arena. Talagang walang kahit kunting pagsisisi sa binayaran nila. Unang round, palitan na agad ng mga malulutong nilang kamao. Walang nagpapalugi sa mga patama. Parehong gigil tapusin ang laban ng maaga.
Title fight that people thought would be very said to themselves. This young man could be a good
Backing out previously undefeated southpaw Marvin Sansona.
Veg say something to think about.
Nice looping right hand by Wilfredo Vazquez Jr. Arce. Oh, beautiful left hook. They said once he gets inside, this kid is going to have problems with me. Right hand. Arce. Short right hand connecting to Vazquez Jr. Arce to the body, hooking up top. Arce really laying. Closing moments of the first round. The veteran Arce.
The right hand of Arce, that one he kind of leaned in on. He shouldn't be landing punches from that far out against Arce. That left hook from outside is not one you expect to land for him.
Well, you know what? Vazquez Jr. relaxed.
Sa mga sumunod na mga rounds, mas naging mainit pa ang laban. Parehong makamay ang dalawa. Parehong nagpapakawala ng mga kombinasyon nila. Tila walang kapaguran sa pagbato ng mga kamao. Puntirya ang budiga at ulo.
His father, one of 3 father-son, Harris Patterson, and Judy Espada, and his son.
And you know what I'm saying?
Just look at their faces. Vazquez Jr. so young. Arce, you can see the wars.
Wow.
Body
Mine schools in.
But he just gets the job done. Oh, nice shots by Vazquez, though.
Now Arce saying bring it on. By Arce. A left hook lands for Arce. Right hand. Another right hand. Arce.
Both men are landing big shots, and both men now landing big body shots. This is a fun fight already.
Arce, an action.
Jorge Arce pressing forward. And it wasn't that he didn't take punches while pressing forward, but in this sequence, you see him ripping the body. Both men actually doing some very good body work, but Arce just committed to that.
Third round scheduled for 12 with the WBO Junior Featherweight World Title. The champion, Wilfredo Vazquez, in the silver and Al know, you're such a great boxing historian. There have been...
It's just a very, very great rivalry that you see on a he's pressing the fight.
Now some blood on the bridge of the nose. He's patient. He could get you out of there in the later rounds.
And he's going to need that type of patience.
1:21 to go in the third round. Arce takes a left hook, keeps coming forward, delivers double left hook.
This is something for almost 12 rounds, and nobody could believe both men were
Well beyond his age. But again, this is a tough fight for him. And you can see early, he's taking a lot of punishment.
It's the best I've seen Jorge Arce in a while. He's 4-0-1 since he last lost. What did he tell us? I love cuts. It gets me going. I expect to bleed. Side of the nose. There it is. Yep. And that's probably the spot that caused that cut. Jorge Arce, because he kept coming forward, even in the face of those counter punches by Vazquez, and was able to land the left hook. You see the
Fourth round, kahit duguan na itong Toro ng Mexico, ay patuloy pa rin ito sa pagbato ng kanyang mga kamao.
Taking on the champion, Wilfredo Vazquez Jr. Years old, 1998.
power punches very much in favor of Arce, and many of those are say more than he would like.
I think this round he's moving really, really well, and he's counterpunch Arce.
Vazquez just landed a terrific left hook by Vazquez, right hand by Vazquez.
Said, and I just carry out his actions. He said it's kind of like a PlayStation game. I'm being operated.
Pero sa gitna ng palitan ng mga kamao, sa huling segundo, nasa pool ng solidong kaliwa itong si Jorge Arce at bagsak ito. Buti na lang na save by the bell pa siya dito.
His detriment tonight against a fighter like Arce.
What an electric ending to the round.
Presumably more power in his right than his left hook. Landed a beauty right on the point of the seconds of the round. Now here's the right hand. It will be very low. Oh, he throws an overhand right, keeps it low, gets banged with the left hook.
Sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds, patuloy ang mas tumindi at mas uminit pang digmaan ng mga kamao. Walang humpay na palitan. Andun talaga ang tapang at gigil na tapusin ng impresibo ang bakbakan.
Nice combinations by Arce. This is interesting scoring on press row. Arce leading on two of the scorecards and Vazquez on one of the others. And I have... and now it's Arce on the ropes. That's a switch. Oh my.
Great body work.
If at a certain point his body will give up, but in this fight,
This man, he's strong and he's determined.
Yep.
Kicking with that left hook to the body. By Vazquez Jr. Arce, though, comes back with a three-punch combination.
Press row scoring, it has tightened up. Not only is it tightened up, it's a draw as far as they're concerned. That, of course, is unofficial. We don't know how the judges are scoring this. Now, I have it 48-47 because I didn't make that a 10-8 round earlier.
And the one he just caught with over here. Early.
And they kind of said no. Well, he said yes, I'm gonna. And at 21, never having boxed, and it gives you a lot. And of course, his dad was a great champion. Oh, nice right by Vazquez Jr.
But Arce follows it up with a straight right of his own, then goes downstairs with that left hook.
First, and both men coming in with their heads. Man, that had to hurt. They both banged heads together.
Tuloy pa rin ang dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Talagang matibay. Puro tapang lang. Patibayan ng mukha at kargada sa bodega.
You know, on solid grounds, you don't let the things that most people let excite them.
Being thrown there, Vazquez looked like he stunned Arce, but Arce throwing almost 300 punches. This is just a very action fight. Look at that action on the inside. Now, I'm not sure Vazquez really wants to be there, Antonio, but you pointed out he's got a warrior mentality. Look at it. Wow. Ooh, both men landing.
Great inside fighting.
I mean, this is what makes this type of fight hard to score because
Yes.
both fighters are giving as good as they take.
Round. There's a nice short left hand. This kid is tough.
Man, that's some action. Shane Mosley fight. On the inside, both men landing good punches. You see the left hook of Vazquez getting in, and Arce's been throwing good punches, and Vazquez throwing those combinations. Both men throwing very, very good shots. Arce not wanting really to be against the ropes, but he's countering well off the ropes, which you Tim Dahlberg a draw. I've got Vazquez. And that's the posture battle. This might be a fight that raises the stock of both men.
12, the WBO junior featherweight world title, and they have left their hearts out in the ring.
You mentioned that Vazquez, of course, undefeated in his world title fights, but this is, that's a slip. 12-round fights, and Arce is 9-3, a lot more experience going the distance. Championship distance.
WBO junior featherweight world junior, he has on the black shoes, and Jorge Arce, the challenger, with the blue.
Absolutely. This fight could, good hook and uppercut by Vazquez. Knocking out in a fight in which, that would be a slip as well. It has for Arce.
It's a very work ahead of me, believe me.
Another short left hand getting in. Vazquez, Arce.
11th round, di mo makikitang nauubusan na ng hangin sa bodega ang dalawa. Andun pa rin ang liksi, bilis at lakas nila. Pero sa mga huling minuto, mas naging literal na digmaan ng mga kamao ang nangyari sa ibabaw ng lona. Umaapaw talaga ang tapang nila.
The 11th round, the TKO.
Boy, Arce.
Ivan Hernandez. Oh, Arce with the jab. Backs up Vazquez Jr. He's on the ropes now. Arce continuing to move, throwing shots. Vazquez Jr. breathing out of his mouth as well. Vazquez Jr. looks like he's on shaky legs, and he's taken to the ground again. Arce moving in again. Underneath, the body shots. Looping. 10 seconds ago in the 11th round. Jorge Arce.
Vazquez's legs does not look strong to me. He's leaning on the ropes. He's going to have to regroup.
Just wouldn't be stopped in this round. This was when Vazquez had already been hurt, and you see, and Antonio made a terrific comment about those legs being supporting him as well. Only the ropes are. And later on in the round, Arce walking through punches to get to Vazquez and landing that left hook and others.
12 round, nakakaamoy na ng panalo itong veteranong Meksikano dito. Alam na niyang wala ng lakas ang mga paa nitong kampiyon ng Puerto Rico. Kaya ilang segundo lang sa huling round, matapos magyakapan, nasa pool sa mga kombinasyon mula sa Torong Meksikano itong pambato ng bansang Puerto Rico. Pinaulan na ng mga kamao, kaya ang kampo ni Vazquez Jr., lalo na ang ama niya na dating boxing champion din, ay mismong sumuko na sa laban nila para maiwasan ang mas malala pang disgrasya.
Vazquez Jr. holding on. Cortez right there.
Why won't he hold? He needs to hold him.
Joe Cortez doing a good job of letting them fight through this. He sees Vazquez punching in. Oh my!
Tower.
Wow!
Wilfredo Vazquez Sr. throwing the towel on his son.
I don't agree with that stoppage because Vazquez had just landed a very crisp right hand.
I would say that had to do with the family relationship. This is a charming and nice young man. The father loves him. He's not been a professional forever. You see the concern in the corner. That's his father. There was a water bottle and a towel also thrown in that will get Joe Cortez's attention. There you see, they are trying to get this fight stopped.
That was Vazquez Sr. that threw the water bottle in also.
And Tuto Zavala, his junior, his
Marami ang humanga sa naging performance ng dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Isang napakagandang digmaan ng mga kamao ang kanilang nakita. Panalo si Jorge Arce sa Bakbakan via 12-round TKO. Nakuha niya ang titulo habang si Wilfredo Vazquez Jr. ay nalasap naman ang pinakaunang pagkatalo.
Referee in charge, Joe Cortez stops the contest. He is the winner by way of technical knockout. He is the new WBO Junior Featherweight Champion of the World, Jorge Arce.
Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa videong ito? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.